If you've ever dreamed of having a beautiful garden that comes back year after year with less work each season, then perennials are your best friends. Unlike annuals, which need to be replanted every spring, perennials return on their own, often bigger and better than before. In this video, we're going over 10 perennials every garden should have. Coneflower. Let's start with coneflowers, also known as echinacea. These hardy perennials are native to North America and bring months of colour to the garden, typically from midsummer to fall. They come in shades of purple, pink, white, and even orange. Coneflowers are drought-tolerant once established, loved by pollinators, and produce attractive seed heads that birds enjoy in the fall and winter. Daylilies. Daylilies are famous for their reliability and ease of care. Each bloom lasts just a day, but the plants produce so many buds that they can bloom for weeks. Available in an endless variety of colours and forms, daylilies can tolerate poor soil, drought, and neglect. They're excellent for filling in bare spots, and their grassy foliage looks good even when not in bloom. Hosta. If you have a shady garden, hostas are a must-have. Grown mostly for their attractive foliage, they come in an impressive range of sizes, shapes and colours from chartreuse to deep blue-green. Their tall flower spikes appear in summer and are surprisingly appealing to hummingbirds. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susans, or Rudbeckia, are cheerful daisy-like flowers that bloom from mid to late summer. Their bold yellow petals and dark brown centres make them a standout in any garden. They thrive in full sun, tolerate dry soil, and are rarely bothered by pests. Peony. Peonies are beloved for their lush, fragrant blooms and elegant appearance. They bloom in late spring to early summer and come in shades of pink, red, white, and coral. Once established, peonies are incredibly low maintenance and can live for decades without needing to be divided. Russian sage. With its tall, airy stems and silvery foliage, Russian sage adds a soft, dreamy look to sunny borders. The lavender blue flowers bloom from midsummer into fall, attracting bees and butterflies along the way. Russian sage thrives in poor soil and dry conditions, making it a smart pick for low-water gardens. Sedum. Also known as stonecrop, sedum is a drought-tolerant succulent that comes in low-growing and upright forms. The flowers bloom late in the season, often in late summer to early fall, when many other perennials are winding down. Autumn Joy is a popular variety with large pink flower heads that age to a coppery bronze, providing winter interest too. Salvia. Salvia brings vertical spikes of colour to the garden in shades of blue, purple, pink and red. It's easy to grow, blooms heavily, and rebounds well after deadheading. Salvia is adored by bees, butterflies and hummingbirds, and it thrives in full sun with well-drained soil. It's a fantastic companion plant for roses and ornamental grasses. Bleeding Heart. Bleeding Heart adds a romantic touch to spring gardens. Its arching stems carry rows of delicate, heart-shaped pink or white flowers. The foliage is fern-like and adds a soft texture. While traditional varieties go dormant in summer, newer types like Luxuriant can offer extended foliage throughout the season. Lavender. And finally, lavender. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's also drought-tolerant, attracts pollinators, and even repels some pests. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, especially in drier climates. Lavender blooms in early to mid-summer and can be harvested for sachets, oils, and crafts, making it as practical as it is pretty. With these 10 reliable, beautiful perennials, your garden can stay colourful and vibrant year after year with less effort. Whether you're starting fresh or adding to an existing bed, there's something on this list for every space. Which of these perennials do you grow, or which ones are on your wish list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. See you in the next one.